Stop this instantly. Hey, I don't think it goes. Okay, why do I look like a priest? Like, hi, nice. Yes, this outfit, I'm sorry, this is sick. Okay, I actually look like a goth. Hey everyone, Faustina here, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I will be doing okay, this is gonna be a small boohoo haul, but also how to style your long sleeves. I am a big lover for fashion, so I thought I would do another fashion video. I haven't done one since I've done my lookbook, but I thought I would bring another one for you guys because I actually do miss hauling some clothes and like showcasing some of my styles. I have a boohoo haul that I have to go through. It's just the small items because these are like essentials that I needed and some were on sale, so I thought I would just showcase it. I'll put like everything online, online. I'll put everything around me, the prices and blah blah blah. And after I do the haul, I'll show how I style my long sleeves with like tops over it and just showcase all the different styles of long sleeves that I have. Hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Let's get started. No. Dolphin. But yeah, let's do the boohoo haul. First, I am standing up this time in this video because it's a try on haul. I'm gonna pull out the first item. Oh, okay. Sorry, I left the window open. Okay, so my ring light just broke. I'm using my phone, like the flashlight, and hopefully this should work. I want to continue doing this haul. The lighting, sun's coming out. Sorry if this is a shambles, but ooh. Oh my god, this feels incredible. I don't know if you can see the texture. I don't think you can, but like it's like quaiding. It's that type of material. Oh my god, this is gonna look sick. Okay, mind the iron at the background. Look how cute this is. Stop this instantly. The material's so good. Oh my god, and you can zip it up. Oh, you can only zip it up from there. You can put the color down. No, this is sick. This is sick, this is sick. Oh my god, okay, this is the first item. How good, how nice, how stylish. This is up my street, plus I styled it with like ASOS chain, which is looking kind of fresh, you know. The sun shining. Oh, I just love it, I just love it. Okay, next item, please. Okay, this is the next item. I'm feeling myself. Okay, for some reason, lately, I've been loving the color green, and I feel like it's gonna be my next hair color. You know, since I have like purple in my hair, green is gonna be next, I think, because damn green. hey, is that you? Yeah, is that you? Yeah, too stylish. And I just paired it with my necklace again. This is a different type of gravy, you know. Let me show you actually what it looks like properly. Okay, so as you can see, it has detailed here. Too nice. Oh yeah, I'm just wearing my gray Topshop jeans. This is way too nice, like, oh my gosh. Next, the next two items actually are basic long sleeve tops. So I got one in black and one in white because this moves on to the next stage of the video, which I showcase how I style my long sleeve tops. I have a few demos. I know some of these items are no longer in stock. I know my obsession with long sleeves have grown since coming to Birmingham, and this is how I style my long sleeve tops just in general. And yes, let's get in to this part of the video. Let me showcase how many long sleeve tops I have. Guys, when I say it's ridiculous, it's ridiculous. This this and I have more in the closet, but like I'm not gonna showcase that. I'm gonna just wear the white one first. Okay, why do I look like a priest? Okay, so this long sleeve, I'm sorry, it's a bit long. However, I wanted it to be long because it's a bit edgy. As you can see, I'm wearing this long sleeve, right? Oh, you can see my butt there. Oh wow. But I would pair it with this top. So this is a champion top that I got from Nemo. He didn't want it anymore and it didn't fit him, so he decided to give it to me. And this is how I would style it. You can wear any necklace of your choice, but make sure that it suits your outfit as well. If I stand back a bit, tuck this in, you can style it however you want. And I would probably wear my Nike Air Forces with this. I'm not going to show you that, but this is how I would style this. How nice. You can just see the contrast better, can you not? The police are everywhere today. I don't know why. Okay, so as you can see, it's a bit like oversized, but I love it. It suits the clothing properly. The necklace sits right, and like you can tuck it. You can even like leave it like this. But for me, I like to show skin because it looks flattering around my waist. Do you know how you can see it's white with white? Let me try it on. And it has the off-white sign at the back. This one has like more style to it. There's different colors in there, but you can clearly see that the outline is basically white overall. I'd probably wear like a longer necklace with this, but this is how I would style this top. This one's a bit baggier, so you can even wear it as a dress and put a belt around it. However, I would just do the tuck-in thing again. Hey, Misch. Hey, girlfriend. With my Nike Air Forces or my Vans. Okay, I'm gonna move on to another different long sleeve. You've probably seen the version that I'm talking about. It is this one. So this one is from Shein. It has different prints on it. I love this one. I feel like this is my favorite long sleeve that I've been wearing lately. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I style this one. 3, 2, 1. This is the long sleeve from Shein. It's so nice. Like, let me just show you in a different angle. How nice is this? Just like it suits this jeans. I just wore these jeans because I knew it would match every single outfit that I'm showcasing today. I absolutely love this top. It goes with everything. Like, oh my god, the white contrast with the black in there. Like, how nice is this one? Now, if I use the other one, this combination is my favorite. You tell me which one's your favorite, because I kind of like this one. I'll put a pic here of when I posted it on Instagram, and I really recommend getting long sleeve pattern stuff from like Shein. Shein does wonders for this. Like, this suits it, no? This combination is underrated. Like, guys, I'm trying to explore my closet at the moment because people ask me, Faustina, you have good fashion sense, teach me. Well, I'm teaching you now, guys. Now. Oh, back in Ireland, now. I'm teaching you now, guys. How nice. Plus, you can just pop it down a bit, but for me, I like to like surprise people and just wear like my little sports bra underneath. Yeah, baby. Okay, the next long sleeve is this one. Orange is such an underrated color. This just brings back memories because I wore this to a Stormzy concert that I went with my sister. I absolutely love it. The last time I wore it was my sister's 16th birthday. Sorry about the lighting's going down now. I love it by itself. I feel like it suits these jeans. However, if you want to style it with the top, okay. This is my first time trying this, to be honest, so I don't know if this suits. I think it might be a big no-no, but if you're really rebellious and like to like be confident out in the world, you probably can pull it off. But for me, I don't think I can. I understand how it makes sense. However, I don't think it suits this. Since I've washed it so many times, I feel like the orange would have suited more better. But since the colors have worn out and the orange is more brighter than the top now, I don't think it goes. It probably does if I wore something nicer on the bottoms, but for me, this is a big no-no. However, I think I can solve the problem. If you know me, you would see that I'm a big fan of Back to the Future, and I have this top. It suits the color, so technically this should fit and style it better. So, oh my god, this suits it even better. I feel like I should be a stylist, you know, because I've always wanted to be a stylist. Not a job, but like a hobby. I used to do it with my brother and just style his clothes, and my little sister as well. Emma, I'm sorry, if you go to her Instagram, you'll probably see some of my clothes on there. This is a vibe, you know. I'm loving it. It feels like go crazy vibes. Chris Brown, where you at? The only thing that I don't have is orange shoes, which I really want for some reason. But I would style this with some Vans as well. By the way, I got this long sleeve on ASOS, and this top Claire and Deborah got me it for my birthday ages ago. This top, as you can see, it has different colors on the side. This is actually a made top. One of the guys that I was seeing makes t-shirts. This was the t-shirt that I got from him, and I'm not gonna lie, the brand is so cool. See, there's different colors in it, so you can probably style it with orange, purple, and green. So I'm actually gonna try it with this top and see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't think this works. Oh my god, this ain't this ain't working. I'm gonna try purple next. But yeah, this is my long sleeve top that I got from Shein. It's nice, blah blah blah. However, if you want to style it with a top, yeah, as you can see already, you already know it's gonna work.
Hell yes, I'm actually good, you know, at this.
First time wearing this outfit. Okay, yes, this is sick. This is sick. This match plus with my purple hair. Where's my money? Where's my money for this? I already know it's not gonna be the last time I'll be wearing this outfit. Let me just move back for a bit and you can see the whole, yes. Oh my god. Okay, this is sick. I would wear this because the green outline matches with this green outline. As you can see. Okay, I would style it with this. 100%. Guys, there's always a way. On the police are back. God sakes. Plus, I don't know if this is the right color as well. Actually, I'll try for you guys. This is the long sleeve top that I have. I'm gonna try and style it. I covered it with like my sports bra. Choose not to respond. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. Oh, sorry, the lighting's off again. As you can see, it matches. I feel like I should be a stylist, guys. What do you think? I feel like grungy with this outfit, like this. Oh my god, this is sick. This. What did I just create, guys? Oh my god, catch me wearing this outfit 24/7. I have never worn this outfit in my life and I feel like I've just created something new. This could be the start of something new. Feels so right to be here with you. Oh, this outfit, I'm sorry, this is sick. Silver just suits my skin tone. The purple, right? Purple hair, the green with the green. I might wear this tomorrow for the sesh. I literally might wear this for the sesh tomorrow.
I don't know if that's better, but oh my god.
I have completely made a mess of my room. Look at that. Look at this. My bed. Right. I have a long sleeve black top, right? But I don't really know what to style it with. Okay, so I put on the long sleeve crop top, right? It's nice. However, finding something to match with this in my closet is a bit difficult at the moment. I don't really have anything to match it with. Actually, I think I do. Wait, hold on, hold on. Would this match? This doesn't look right because it's different colors. Focus on it. Oh, I have no idea. This would actually sit. I can feel it. I can see the vibe of this. Okay, I actually look like a golf. Right, I'm just gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoy this little video. I actually love this video because it showcased how I style my long sleeve tops and I gave you a little glimpse of my little boohoo haul. But if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from your girl, Faustina. I upload every single Thursdays at 5 p.m. Hit that notification bell so you get reminded when every time I upload a brand new video. Due to that, I will see you guys next week. Bye. This is weird. This is why I'm single.